Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 2nd, chapter number 1, numbers up to 200, part 4. So students, now let us start with a new topic, comparing numbers with different number of digits. In this topic, we learn how to compare numbers. The milk booth at the end of the street sold 128 packets of milk in the morning and 47 packets in the evening. When did it sell more packets, in the morning or in the evening? So, here the question is, a milkman sells 128 packets of milk in the morning. How many packets? 128 packets. And 4747 packets in the evening. How many packets? 4747. The question is, when did he sell more packets, whether in the morning or in the evening? To find the answer, we need to compare 128 and 47. When we'll compare both the numbers, we'll get to know when did he sell more. So, in the number 128, at one's place 8 is there, at ten's place 2 is there, at hundred's place 1 is there. Whereas in 47, at one's place 7 is there, at ten's place 4 is there, and at hundred's place there is nothing. Now, always remember, the number which is having more digits will always be greater than the number which is having less digits. The number which is having more digits is always greater than the number with 2 digits. So, here 128 has 1, 2 and 3 digits. How many digits? 3 digits. And the number 47 has 1, 2. How many digits? 2 digits. So which number is greater? 128. So 128 is greater than 47. 128 is greater than 47 because 128 is having 3 digits and 47 is having 2 digits. The number with 3 digits will be greater than the number with 2 digits. So our answer is 128 is more than 47. 128 is more than 47. So more packets were sold in the morning. So more packets were sold in the morning. Now students, try this. You have to use greater than or smaller than sign. Here first one, 14 is there and 140 is there. 14 is having 2 digits and 140 is having 3 digits. So 3 digit number will be greater than 2 digit number. Then second, 13 and 4. 13 is 2 digit number, 4 is 1 digit number. So 2 digit number is more than 4. It is greater than 4. So 13 is greater than 4. Next, 79 and 111. 79 is a 2 digit number and 111 is a 3 digit number. So 111 will be more than 79. Next, 8 and 161. 8 is 1 digit number and 161 is 3 digit number. So 3 digit number will be more than 8. So 161 is greater than 8. Our next topic is comparing numbers with the same number of digits. Now, in the earlier topic, we learn that how to compare the numbers which have different number of digits. Now what we will do, if the numbers have same digits, then how we are going to compare it? For that, let us learn it through example. A. Compare 163 and 135. Which is greater? Okay. So remember always to compare from hundreds, then tens, and then from ones. First of all, in number 163, 3 is at the ones place, at the tens place 6 is there, and at hundreds place 1 is there. Whereas in number 135, ones place 5 is there, at tens place 3 is there, at hundreds place 1 is there. At 100 place 1 is there in both the numbers, so we cannot compare it because both the numbers are same. Now if both the digits in the 100 place are same, then compare the digits in the tens place. In which place? Tens place. So in 163, at the tens place 6 is there. 6 tens means 60, and at tens place in the number 135 is 3. 3 tens means 30. 3 tens means 30. So 60 is greater than 30. 60 is greater than 30. So 163 is greater than 135. 135. You can here also use a shortcut. You can also use a shortcut here. Think that 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. So 163 will be greater than 135. 163 will be greater than 135. Clear, students? B1. Compare 172 and 179. In the earlier question, hundreds place were having the same digit. Now here at the hundreds place also same digit is there, and the tens place there is also a same digit. Let us see. At the ones place 2 is there, at the tens place 7 is there, at the hundreds place 1 is there. And in 179, at the ones place 9 is there, at tens place 7 is there, and at hundreds place 1 is there. So first start with the digit at the hundreds place. At the hundred place, in both the numbers 1 is there, both the numbers are same, so we cannot compare it. Now move on to the tens one. At the tens place 7 is there. Here also at the tens place 7 is there. Again we cannot compare it because both the numbers are same. So in this case, now we'll compare with the digit which is having on the ones place. Here 172 is having 2, and here in 179 at ones place 9 is there. So which number is smaller? 2 is smaller than 9. 2 is smaller than 9. So 172 will be smaller than 179. 172 will be smaller than 179. So if the digits in the hundreds place and the tens place are same, then compare the digits in the ones place. Compare the digits in the ones place. Try this. Use greater than or smaller than sign. Here 189 is there and 198 is there. At the hundreds place 1 is there. Both are same, so move on to the tens place. Here at the tens place 8 is there. Here at the tens place 9 is there. So 9 is greater than 8. So 198 will be greater than 189. Next, 114, 141. At the hundreds place, both the numbers are having 1, so we cannot compare it. So, move on to the tens place. At the tens place, 114 is having 1 and 141 is having 4. So 141 and 114. At the tens place, 114 is having 1 and at the tens place 141 is having 4. So 4 is greater than 1. So 141 will be greater than 114. Clear, students? Okay, students, now let us start with exercise 1C. Compare by counting the number of digits. In this, you have to compare the numbers by counting the number of digits. A1, 134, 99. Just count how many digits both the numbers have. 134 is having 1, 2, 3 digits. How many digits? 3 digits. And 99 is having 1, 2. How many digits? 2 digits. So 3 digit number is always greater than 2 digit number. So 134 is greater than 99 or 99 is smaller than 134. B, 173, 62. Just count the number of digits 173 have. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit and 62, 1, 2. 2 digits. So 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number or 2 digit number is smaller than 3 digit number. So 173 is greater than 62. C1, 90, 184. 90 is having how many digits? 1, 2 digit. And 184 is having 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So 3 digit number is greater and 2 digit number is smaller. So 184 is greater than 90. Next, D. 964. 9 is a single digit number, that is it only have one digit, and 64 is having 1, 2. Again, one digit number is smaller than 2 digit number and 2 digit number is greater than 1 digit number. So 64 is greater than 9. E. 58 and 163. 58 is having 1, 2. 2 digits. 163 is having 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So here 163 will be greater than 58 because 163 have 3 digits whereas 58 have 2 digits. F. 79 and 179. 79 is having how many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits and 179 is having 1, 2, 3. So 179 will be greater than 79. Next, compare the digits in the tens place. Now here we have to compare the digits in the tens place. A. 126, 162. What is there in the place? What is there in the tens place? In 126, 2 is there, and in 162, 6 is there. So 6 is greater than 2. So 162 will be greater than 126. B1, 157 and 169. What is there in the tens place in 157? 5 is there, and in 169 6 is there. So 6 is greater than 5 or 6 tens, that is 60, is greater than 5 tens, that is 50. So 169 will be greater than 157. C1, 144, 109. So what is there in the tens place in 144? 4 is there. And in the 109, what is in the tens place? 0 is there. So 4 is greater than 0. So 144 will be greater than 109. Next, D1. 163, 173. What is there in 163 at tens place? 6 is there. And what is there at the tens place in 173? 7 is there. So 7 is bigger, 7 is greater than 6. So 173 is greater than 163. Next, E1. 101, 110. In 101, 0 is there at the tens place, and in 110, 1 is there at the tens place. So 1 is greater than 0. So 110 is greater than 101. Next, F1. 187, 178. In 187, what is there in the tens place? 8 is there. And in 178, 7 is there. So 8 is greater than 7. So 187 is greater than 178. Next, compare the digit in the ones place. Now here we have to compare the digit in the ones place. A1. 181, 188. What is there in the ones place at 181? 1 is there. And at 188, what is there in the ones place? 8 is there. So 8 is greater than 1. So 181 will be greater than, 188 will be greater than 181. B1. 120, 129. In 120, 0 is there at ones place. And at 129, 9 is there at ones place. So 9 is greater than 0. So 129 will be greater than 120. Next, C. 190, 191. In 190, 0 is there at ones place. And in 191, 1 is there at ones place. So 1 is greater than 0. So 191 is greater than 190. Next, D. 199 and 196. In 199, 9 is there at ones place. And in 196, 6 is there at ones place. So 9 is greater than 6. So 199 is greater than 196. E1. 137, 134. In 137, 7 is there at ones place. And in 134, 4 is there in ones place. So 7 is greater than 4. So 137 is greater than 134. Next, F. 123 and 125. At the ones place, in 123, 3 is there. And at the ones place in 125, 5 is there. So 5 is greater than 3. So 125 is greater than 123. So students, clear how to compare the numbers by counting the number of digits, by comparing the digits in the tens place, and by comparing the digits in the ones place. Our next question is mixed practice. Okay, so in mixed practice, all the methods we have to take. So let us start. A1, 17 and 170. 17 and 170. Both the numbers have different number of digits. 17 is having 1 2 digit, and 170 is having 1 2 and 3 digits. So 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number, so 170 will be greater than 17. B, 195 95. Again here we have to compare it by counting the number of digits, because both the numbers are not having same number of digits. 195 is having 1 2 3 digit, 95 is having 1 2, so 3 digit number is always greater than a 2 digit number, so 195 is greater than 95. Next, C1, 58 and 101. Again the number of digits are not same, so we can compare it by counting. 58 is having 1 2 digit, and 101 is having 1 2 and 3 digit. So 3 digit number is always greater than 2 digit number, so 101 is greater than 58. Next, D, 158 105. Both the numbers are having same number of digit, so here we cannot compare it by counting the number of digits. What is there in the hundreds place? Here 1 is there, and here also 1 is there, so again we cannot compare it. So move on to the tens place. At the tens place, 158 is having 5, and at the tens place 105 is having 0. So 5 is greater than 0, so 158 will be greater than 105. Next, E, 187 188. Again here we cannot compare it by counting the number of digits, because both the numbers have same digit. At the hundreds place, both the numbers are having 1 and 1, so we cannot compare 8 from hundreds place. So move on to the tens place. At the tens place, 187 is having 8, and 188 is also having 8. So again we cannot compare it in the tens place. So move on to the ones place. 187 is having 7 at the ones place, and 188 is having 8 at ones place. So 8 is greater than 7, so 188 will be greater than 187. Next, 141 141. Both the numbers are same, so when both the numbers are same, we will use equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to sign. This is equal to sign, because both the numbers have same number of digits. At hundreds place, both the numbers are having 1 and 1. At tens place also, both the numbers are having same number of same digit, and at the ones place also both the numbers have same digit. So when we are comparing both the numbers, that number is same, so we will use equal to sign. Next, ring the greatest number. Now here we have to ring, or we have to circle the number which is greater. A1, 125 189 150. From these three, which number is the greatest? 189, so we have to circle 189. B1, 39 64 and 184. 184 is a 3 digit number, whereas other two are 2 digit numbers. So 184 is the greatest number, so we will circle 184. C1, 138 131 135. Three of them are 3 digit numbers. 1 is there in the hundreds place in all the 3 numbers. At the tens place also these numbers are having same digit, that is 3. So compare it in ones place. So 138 is having 8, 131 is having 1, and 135 is having 5. So 8 is greater than 1 and 5. So it is the greatest number. So circle 138. Next, ring the smallest number. Now here we have to circle the smaller number. A1, 120, 102, 29. 120 is a 3-digit number. 102 is also a 3-digit number, but 29 is 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. So circle 29. Next, B, 121, 111, 131. Here 3 of them are a 3-digit number. So compare it at tens place. 121 is having 2, 111 is having 1, and 131 is having 3. So 1 is smaller than 2 and 3. So which is the smallest number? 111. C, 184, 108, 180. Again 3-digit number are there. So we cannot compare it by counting the numbers. So look at the tens place. 184 is having 8, 108 is having 0, and 180 is having 8. So 0 is smaller than 8. So 108 is the smallest number. Clear, students?